The price of one Stellar/XLM coin right now is $0.11944018. It's gone up 4% in the past 24 hours. The price of XLM ended higher than it started the day 48.61% of the time. The most one XLM has ever been worth in our base is $0.8080223, which happened 4 days ago. The price is now minus 85.22% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and only 2 say to buy. The other 11 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction mood is bearish. The first big uptrend resistance for XLM is at $0.1250571. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. The bottom support for the trend is at $0.1181397. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.1181397. If it can close above $0.1250571, on the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support at $0.1322713. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 42.72, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is also at 50.20, which also shows that the market is in a normal state. 5 times out of 10, the price of XLM on the last day of January was higher than the open price. The other 5 times, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. October has been Stellar's best month for 11 years in a row. 6 times as much XLM was worth at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 7 out of 11 times, the price at the end of November was less than the starting price. November is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. Stellar had 2 bull runs. The first one, in December 2014, hit an all-time high of $0.0094210, not long after 5:35. After 96 days, the price fell to its lowest point at $0.0015090. It took about 3 years since December 2014 for the price to hit a new all-time high. The last bull run happened in 2021, but XLM couldn't hit its previous high. Its highest price was $0.79298871 at that time. The last time XLM hit a new all-time high, it took 1,111 days. Our Stellar price estimate says that the price of XLM could reach $0.1251723 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $0.4464279 in 2025 and $0.8252467 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $2.48. We think the price of Stellar will be $0.4464279 in 2025. That's the highest price we think XLM will go to, and $0.3422452 is the lowest price we think it will go to.